how I start an online business. Have you been asking yourself that question? If so, my name is Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you why I started an online business, the 3 things you need to get started, and also how you can get started for less than a pair of jeans. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. And before anything, if you are into entrepreneurship, making money online, affiliate marketing, or anything that has to do with making people's life better, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And let's go ahead and get started. So before I share with you these 3 needed components to run a successful, online business, let me tell you the reason why I started. All right. So the reason why I started this online business was because I wanted freedom. I wanted to, be able to do the things that I love doing, be able to spend more time with my wife, be able to, have, a sense of security and peace of mind. And I saw that online business can do all that, right? I saw that an online business can really help you create your own economy. And I don't know about you, but you might be living in times that maybe you have to stay home because of a pandemic. Maybe there's something that happened that you have, that requires you to stay home or to stay somewhere. As long as you have an internet connection, you can actually run an online business and be creating your own economy. You don't have to depend on anybody or anything, to get paid. You don't have to depend on a boss. You don't have to depend on the government. You don't have to depend on different things in order for you to get paid, in order for you to create your own economy. And that's the beauty of being an entrepreneur and pretty much being having your own online business, being your own boss, right? That's what I love about this, and that's why I started. Because before I started this, I was burnt out. I was stressed out. I didn't know where, I didn't like where I was. I was always tired and not able to spend time with, my wife, quality time. Every time I got home from work, I went straight to sleep. So that was really affecting my relationship. So one day when I would call myself falling asleep, I'm like, man, why am I so tired all the time? Even though I slept, uh, you know, 8 hours or 9 hours at times, I still was tired. And that's when I thought, is like, something's not right. I no longer feel passion. I felt like a zombie. So I went online to find a way that I can make money online, to find a way that I can, redesign my life and create my own economy, and pretty much to find a way for time freedom that I can do the things that I love doing. And by doing that, I found my passion. I found something that gave me a purpose, and that it really helped me not be tired anymore, and that my wife enjoys because she gets to spend time with me at home. We get to do other stuff besides this too that we really love, and that's what pretty much brought me to starting an online business. So I don't know why you started, but my thing was having the ability to that I can do it from anywhere in the world. I can run my own paychecks and pretty much create my own economy so I can be there for the people that I care the most, and pretty much have more energy, right? This is what this has allowed me to do, and now I have more clarity. Now I get to spend time at home. My wife and I, we get to spend more time together, and we work on other projects, and it's really, really, really cool what an online business can do for you. And that's why I share this with others, so I can inspire others to do the same, to live their dreams, to build their own dreams. I consider myself a freedom artist, so I like helping people create their freedom, and an online business totally allows people to do that, and it also gives you a lot of clarity, and it builds you up, it helps you grow. Okay, so that's why I started. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get down to the 3 needed components to run a successful and profitable online business. So the first thing you're going to need in an online business is going to be pretty much a quality product or offer to sell. And it has to be something that solves a problem, something of quality, right? Something that people are searching online and is going to solve their problems, right? So that's the first thing you're going to need. The second thing you're going to need an effective and efficient system that does the telling and selling on your behalf 24/7. So if you ever heard of people making money while they sleep or while they're on vacation, etc., that's because they have a system in place that's doing the telling and selling on their behalf. Business owners that create systems that makes their life, better and more efficient. So it frees them time so they can enjoy the things they love, and so they can really focus on being productive. Okay, so an effective system is going to do that for you. So if you don't have this in place, you're going to be like a slave to your business. So you might as well just go back to, whatever it is that you were doing, your day job, or whatever it is that you were doing. Okay, so that's why it's important that you have an effective system in place that's going to do 90% of the work, which is the telling and selling on your behalf. And it's because online is going to be there 24/7 doing this heavy duty, throughout the whole year. Okay, the other 10% is going to be you doing this third part here, which is driving traffic, right? Driving traffic. And traffic is simply visitors, people on the internet looking for solutions. So how do you connect your quality product, your solution, to somebody that's already searching for it? That's what learning how to drive traffic is. You got to learn how to put your offer, your solution in front of the people that are looking for it. And that's how you become the hunted and not the hunter. So you don't have to be chasing people, chasing families and friends, etc. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, Mike, how can I, do I have to create my own products? Do I have to create my own systems? Do I have to learn how to drive traffic? I mean, I don't know nothing about this. You might be at that, at that stage. I don't know where you're at, but wherever you're at, setting this up yourself is really, really hard, especially when you're starting from scratch, right? Because you had to be spending time on product research. You had to spend time and money on creating your own products. You have to spend time on creating an effective system and probably a lot of money on that. And then you had to really come up with a way, find, ways to drive traffic and be guessing, right? Well, I don't want you to do that. You don't have to do that nowadays with the resources that we have available. When I started, I did not know anything about this, but guess what? I started in something called affiliate marketing. So if you're just starting out from scratch, right? You don't know, you're new to this. My best recommendation is for you to start in affiliate marketing. Why with affiliate marketing? Well, with affiliate marketing, you're pretty much selling somebody else's product and you're getting paid for it. You're referring people to somebody else's products and you're getting paid for it. So somebody else created a product, they spent all the time and money into creating the product. So all you have to do is pretty much find people and refer them to to these products. And guess what? You're gonna get paid for it, for something that you did not create yourself. How cool is that? It's like if you went to a movie theater or a restaurant, you watch a good movie or you ate some good food, and you told your friends how incredible the food or the movie was. What's going to happen naturally? Your friends are also going to go there and watch that movie or eat that food. But guess what? The restaurant or the movie theater, they did not pay you to eat, to refer people to them, right? But in affiliate marketing, you're actually getting paid to do that for something that you already been doing for free. Okay, so that's what's cool about affiliate marketing. So if you ask me, what would I recommend you start in if you're just starting out? I would say start with affiliate marketing. Now, where can you find products? Let me give you an example here, an example website. Let me go ahead and pull that out right now. There's a website called ClickBank. I'm just going to pull up on the screen here. Okay, so this website right here is called ClickBank, and what you do, you go to the home and you create an account, and then you click up here where it says Marketplace, and you can pretty much find products to promote. You can find a niche. So let me bring this back. So when you starting a business, the first thing you gotta do is know your niche that you're gonna serve in. What are you gonna, what are you interested in, what industry are you interested in serving in, right? Are you interested in the health and fitness? Are you interested in the business and investing? Are you interested in the cooking niche? Just pick a niche and serve the marketplace in that niche, and that's it. Find products that really solves the problem that people are having in that niche, and guess what? You're actually making money. You're actually having a profitable online business. Okay, so if you want to do the health and wetness, health and fitness, you can go to this website. This is a free affiliate network that you can become a member of, and you can just find products in there, and you can use platforms like YouTube, Facebook. You can go to groups that people are hanging out that are into, weight loss, and you can simply share the benefits that the product that you're promoting, has, and then, give them a link so they can buy, right? So that's pretty much simple. So this right here is going to help you out a lot. That's why I love affiliate marketing, because there's a lot of websites that have done for you products already, and you can make commissions. They're going to pay you for referring people to them. So this right here, clickbank.com, I highly recommend. There's other website, but I'm just going to stick to this for now. All right. So that's pretty much, this is all you need to to get started, right? You need products, you need an effective system in place that's going to do the telling and selling. That's something different, and that's something that you can actually have already done for you. So that's pretty much, this is all. Let me go back to the screen. This is all you need really to to get started. These three things right here. If you wonder where do you start, you start with these three things, and you start with affiliate marketing, because all these things is going to be done for you, right? All these things are going to be done for you. Now, go ahead and stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you how you can get all this done for you and how you can get started starting today. Alright, so if you found value from what I shared with you today, go ahead and hit like below and leave me your comments. And also, if you're ready to start a profitable online business from scratch, starting today and for less than a pair of jeans, go ahead and hit that link below that says my #1 recommendation, and we'll see you in the next video.